Discipline! Discipline to ramp up matchup! In the moment, take a shot, offer rebound, and ramp up matchup! Discipline! We need thinking in the team!
Estamos fallando, no estamos mal. No hay problema. Seguir. Keep on going, keep on believing. We believe in yourself, we believe in your team.
Doesn't matter, run. And be ready and everybody defense together.
¿Qué queréis que os diga?
What do you want me to say?
¿Qué queréis que os diga?
What do you want me to say?
It's not about tactical, man. Rebound. Turnover. Come on. 3 turnovers in a row. No way. Lose the ball for 24 seconds. No for one fucking stupid turnover.
En vez de bloquear, te vienes aquí y lo rompes. Tenías que recibir todo el poste.
Vamos en el flow.
Da igual, era flow. Vale.
Remember, they are bonus. They want to press so much. Beat him. Here you can stop. Hey, beat him. They are all over you. And with hands, okay? They will go. They have to go.
Start the game. Use the foul. It's only one foul. 3 fouls to give. Use the foul and stop the game. Okay? That is compete.
Is that what's the problem? And no referees, no bullshit situation. It's their physical level and our physical level. And every time, it's fast break situation. And all the fouls for us.
Two sides, the ball inside to look at everybody open. And you stay there, ready to shot. Hey, force him. Let's go. Play defense!
Come on now.